If you're targeting short-let business in Lagos, then look no further. I've brought you an ocean view apartment and maisonette just facing the Legoshi Beach in Ikate. If this looks like what you want, then watch this video to the end. Hotels are getting overbooked. The short-let apartments are getting overbooked. It is time for the private sector to enter into hospitality business. We saw what happened last year during Dirty December. If you've been planning and hoping to get an apartment around Lekki Phase 1 Ikate, this one is the best. Number one, it's very flexible. With just 20 million naira, you can put your initial deposit and spread payment plan up to 7 years. And guess what? It's very accessible too. It's not even up to 1 minute. We are at the coastal road. And also, this property are ocean view apartments. It's just at the back of the Legoshi Beach. In fact, we have Soul Beach just at our front. Have ocean view. That is lovely. You don't need your guests, or you don't have to go to the beach to feel the beach. Without ocean view, you have common areas where you can view the beach. And do you know that with an apartment like this, you can generate up to 250k a night? Within 4 days, you're earning millions from your apartment. So this apartment is wonderful for creating generational wealth and passive income. All right, welcome to this 3-bedroom apartment. So this is the showroom. This is the ocean view unit of this apartment. They come as open plan kitchen, and all the bedrooms are facing the ocean. But sadly, this unit is not available. All the units available now are not facing the ocean. Okay, so this is the available unit for the apartment. So you can see all the bedrooms are facing the inside of the estate. Hello, so right here we have the maisonette. This is a 3-bedroom maisonette. Like I said, we don't have ocean view anymore, but this is a sample unit for you to have an idea of how your unit will be like. So this is the lobby. So we have the elevator at this angle, and guess what? You get to see the amazing view of the ocean through here. So still view the ocean while you're on the elevator to your unit. Right here we have the common area, so you can also get to view the ocean through this place. So if this looks like what you want and what you've been looking for, make sure you call the numbers right away. Make sure you call the numbers right away. With just 20 million naira, you can lock down the unit here and spread up to 7 years. And guess what? They are limited. And also, if you're watching this video for the first time, please don't just watch, like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for joining me on this property tour. I can't wait to see you at the next store. Bye.